Best big, fat, chewy chocolate chip cookie recipe. If you love bakery-style cookies that are soft in the center, chewy around the edges, and loaded with melty chocolate chips, then this big, fat, chewy chocolate chip cookie recipe is just for you. These cookies are thick, rich in flavor, and the ultimate treat for cookie lovers. Ingredients: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 cup packed brown sugar, 3/4 cup unsalted butter, melted, 1/2 cup white sugar, 1 large egg, 1 egg yolk, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, 2 cups semisweet chocolate chips. Method: preheat oven. Set your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 165 degrees Celsius, and line baking sheets with parchment paper. Prepare dry ingredients. In a bowl, sift together flour, baking soda, and salt. Mix wet ingredients. In another bowl, beat the melted butter with both sugars until smooth and creamy. Add the egg, extra egg yolk, and vanilla extract, mixing until fully combined. Combine. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture. Stir until just blended. Then fold in the chocolate chips. Shape the cookies. Drop dough by large spoonfuls, about 1/4 cup each, onto prepared baking sheets, leaving at least 3 inches of space between cookies. Bake. Bake for 15 to 17 minutes, until the edges are golden brown, but the centers are still soft. Cool. Allow cookies to rest on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring to a wire rack. Tips for the perfect chewy cookies. Use melted butter. This helps create a denser, chewier texture. Extra egg yolk adds richness and softness. Chill the dough. For even thicker cookies, refrigerate the dough for 30 minutes before baking. Don't overbake. The center should look slightly underdone when you take them out. They'll firm up as they cool.